In this session, we're going to look at some of the routing functionality within SOLIDWORKS PCB. On the Home ribbon, we find the routing section. But first, I will declutter the screen, leaving just the data of interest, using the View Configuration dialog. Within this area of the design, we will conduct some routing. I will declutter again to see only the two nets I wish to route by hiding all nets and then showing just those two by selecting pads. Starting the interactive routing from the top pad, I can step back if need be to the previous corner using backspace, so to choose a different path. Using keyboard commands to swap to another layer using a via. Sizes and spacing are controlled by design rules. Finishing the part of the route in space and starting the second route, you'll see I can route over items, causing inevitable errors. So using the Tab key while still in the routing mode, I can switch in a different routing conflict resolution strategy. Here, walk around obstacles. Finishing the route into the pad, we see an earlier section that requires a tidy. To tidy up, I add a new route from the start pad, and on joining into the track further along, it auto unroutes the original section. The track sections can be manipulated in the same manner that lines and arcs can be, using the same toolset. Open-ended track sections can also be auto-unrouted even if the new track section includes a via. Interactive multi-routing allows for a selection of nets to be routed together at the same time. Commands allow manipulation of the track spacing on the fly. Changing all tracks to a different layer, with them abiding the routing strategy and spacing design rules. Unroute has a number of options, including unrouting by component. Here we review some of the routing options for corners. And see the function of autocomplete. The auto route functionality offers a number of approaches. These should be used in stages, matching the type of design.